Hi friends, this is Odyssey. This is another video in my series Pinay Nurse in Germany. If you have watched my previous vlogs, I have been here in Germany for almost 2 years now. Last year, I would say was rough emotionally and mentally speaking, but this year had really been great. So gusto ko i-share yung experience ko work-wise and of course, my personal experience. Being a nurse in Germany, so this is coming from someone na wala ng hospital experience. You can imagine that after years of not practicing my profession, ayun bumalik ako sa pagiging nurse. My first week was really malaking question mark. Hirap ko sila intindihin since iba ang language, iba yung setting sa Heim or senior homes. So nakatulong sa akin na bumalik ako mag-review both ng language and yung mga ginagawa sa Pflege. Andyan din yung mga Pilipino mong katrabaho kaya madali magtanong. And through time, mas naintindihan ko na din sila pag nagdo-Deutsch since mas na-expose ako sa kanila everyday. And since language is a skill, you'll develop it over time. It really just takes time. So take every opportunity as learning kasi dun ka din talaga matututo. Adjusting to a new culture. Ang pinakamahirap sa lahat is change, ika nga. But instead of comparing yung dati mong buhay, what if maging open tayo sa change? Also, totoo na madali ma-homesick lalo na pag malayo ka sa family mo, sa mga kaibigan mo. Walang mali na umiyak, maging malungkot, maghanap ka ng mga kausap. But at one point or another, kailangan din natin tulungan ang sarili natin na bumangon. For me, ayoko gumising lagi na malungkot, na mabigat ang pakiramdam. So, naghahanap ako ng ibang pagkakaabalahan. Ayoko na matapos yung araw na puro work lang. Gusto ko may something in between. So, dun ako nag-start na mag-YouTube. Kaya, salamat sa mga nagko-comment, mga nanonood ng video ko kasi naging busy ako i-share yung experience ko at in a way nakakatulong ako. I realized din na kahit nasaan ka, ikaw yung may decision, how would you call a place your own home? Sa Pilipinas, for example, mahilig talaga ako mag-workout. So, naghanap ulit ako ng gym pagdating dito. Okay lang kahit wala akong kasama, kahit wala akong kakilala. Ginagawa ko kasi to para sa sarili ko. Mahilig din ako mag-explore ng mga resto o coffee shops sa Pilipinas. So, I started doing mini dates with myself and I make it a point na at least once a week may time ako para sa sarili ko. It's either maupo lang ako sa coffee shop para mag-journal or mag-enjoy lang. And I do believe na kailangan mo enjoy ang mga nakahiligan mo dati or maghanap ka ng bagong hobby sa bagong lugar na ginagalawan mo. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang Filipino community. So, totoo kahit ano yung nararamdaman mo, hindi ka nag-iisa. Yung feeling mo na stress ka, pag nakwento mo, ayun, napagtatawanan nyo na lang. Who stops us from being free? We blame the government, we blame the weather, we blame our parents, we blame religion, we blame God. Who really stops us from being free? We stop ourselves. What does it really mean to be free? Sometimes we get married and we say that we lost our freedom. Then we get divorced and we're still not free. What stops us? Why can't we be ourselves? The real you is still a little child who never grew up. Ay, ang ganda. Listen. The real you is still a little child who never grew up. Sometimes that little child comes out when you're having fun or playing, when you feel happy, when you're painting or writing poetry or playing the piano or expressing yourself in some way. These are the happiest moments of your life. When the real you comes out, when you don't care about the past and you don't worry about the future, you are childlike. You should read this book, The Four Agreements. Mahirap naman talaga sa umpisa. Ganun naman lagi pag hindi ka familiar sa mga bagay-bagay. Normal yun. Pero trust the process and enjoy the journey. So, thank you sa panonood. This has been Odyssey and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!